Where do I begin?
Gotta watch your time, this is flying right by. Two-time baby girl, you know me.
You guys just have no idea how excited I am about this synthetic wig. Like, I haven't been this excited about something in a minute, and I don't know why, but this is just making me so excited to try. So as you guys can tell, this is a wig that has its parting space right here on the right, and the way the lace is made is what I showed you guys. Is the lace is only right here in the parting space, and then you get some exposure of your hairline. So in case you want to customize it a little bit, like pluck it out or whatever, you can do that. But so far so good. I like the color. The color is really pretty. I like the placement of the orange in the front. Like it's a good placement. It makes the face look framed perfectly. I'm trying to think if I need to like kind of, do I need to move the parting space over that way or keep it right? I think it needs to stay right there. I think that looks better. The lace so far looks like it's gonna be a good blend. Love that for me. There is something on my mouth that is really getting on my nerves. I think I'm gonna see if I can pluck this just a little bit in the front. I want to have a little bit more hairline exposure. It is a little bit more full. Let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. See, it is like not like full to capacity, but it is full enough that I could pluck it just a little bit and get it a little bit more visible in the hairline. So that's what I'm about to sit here and do.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers, 4-5 summers. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want steady, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is Donda, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas brown me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss.
Where do I begin? I don't even know where to begin because this wig is perfect. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like Gorgius Wig, if you release this synthetic unit in other colors, please, can I have each color? Like, I'm just gonna be blunt about it. Can I please have each color? Because this is gorgeous. This looks so good. I'm living for it, okay? On top of that, I'm really proud of myself with how much I love this wig with it being a side part, because usually y'all know me, middle parts go together real bad, okay? Like it really does. So for me to love this side part action so much, oh, and it's the color. The color is making it just pop so hard. Wow. Quality of the synthetic wig is, it's real good. This hair feels good. It doesn't feel like baby doll hair or nothing like that. It literally feels like a really good semi-yaki texture. It feels very natural, very realistic. Love that. Need to see, look at my description bar, or I'll put it on the screen. I'm not sure right now without it in front of me if it is a human hair blend synthetic wig. I'm not really sure if it's a human hair blend wig or if it's just pure synthetic, but I really think it's just pure synthetic. But then again, it might be human hair blend. I don't know for sure without the details in front of me, but I will put it on the screen and I will put it in my description bar as well. So there's no shedding on the wig. I did pluck it out, so like the hair that I plucked out of course came out. I made that parting space, that hairline that is exposed, pretty thinned out. Love that for me. I felt like it looked a little bit better that way with just you know, more lace exposure, giving more scalp exposure, making it look like it's growing out of my head, even though we both know it isn't. It has like a little small sense of a layer right here. If you want to cut your own layered bang, you could do that, but I'm gonna leave it how it is because I like how it's falling. It's also big head friendly. I got a lot of space back here. I did do the adjustable straps just a little bit because I want to make sure it kind of like snugged against my head. But if you don't want to do that, you don't have to, but just know you're going to have a lot of space in it, which is a good thing. We like wigs that give us more space instead of little space, because you can work with a bigger cap wig than you could with a smaller cap wig. I'm going to put the price point on the screen as well as in the description bar as well, so you guys know what price point you're going to be working with this unit. I just can't believe that Gorgius Wig is selling synthetic wigs now, because what? Y'all know I'm a synthetic wig gal. Like, I love me a synthetic wig. I love them. So for a human hair brand to start getting into that synthetic world, I think that's really cool. And on top of that, if this is, and if y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure this is their first release of synthetic wigs, and they did a really good job for it being their first release. We have a little bit of lace exposure. We got a wig that we can work with that's really long. You can cut it shorter if you want. It has some highlight colors in it. Like, they didn't come just a little bit. They like 100% went hard with the release. So I love it. 10 out of 10 vibes. I'll make sure I give y'all a little spin around so you guys can see what the back looks like, because we gotta see what that looks like too, right? So y'all see what that looks like. Nice and long. I don't know how long this is, but I'm gonna say it's probably 22, 24. because that's usually where 22, 24 falls on me when I wear longer hair like this. So I'm gonna say it's probably right in that range for sure. So you guys let me know what you think about it. Y'all know how I feel about it, honey. That's all I got to say. Thank you again to Gorgius Wigs for sending over today's units. Thank you guys for watching. If you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe. Also leave me a thumbs up and a comment as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.